Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 83rd question of the geometry chapter. The question says, the total surface area of a right circular cylinder is same as the total surface area of a right circular cone. The height h and radius r of both the cylinder and the cone are equal. Find the radius r in terms of height h. Before directly jumping on and solving this question, just imagine that is it possible that you can get this kind of a scenario. So if this is a cylinder, okay, of radius r, this is radius r and height is h, okay. If I create another cone out of it in this same base with the same radius and same height, the cone will be like this. So if you look at it, the cone over here, let me draw the cone in red color. So the cone is in red color. The base area is same for both of them. If you look at it, the curved area of cylinder is much more than the curved area of the cone, because cone is basically inside this cylinder if you look at it that ways. Okay. So if it is of same height and same radius, you can never have this scenario that if the radius and height of the cone and cylinder are the same, it can never be the case that both of them have the same surface area. It is just not possible. Okay, cylinder will always have more surface area than that of cone. Okay, if you look at it, this part over here which I am shading, this is basically a circular part which is extra in the cylinder, which is not there in the cone. Okay, so this is never possible. So you have to find the radius in terms of height h. This is never possible. So answer is cannot be determined. Cannot be determined. Always keep in mind before jumping in and solving a question, determined. You read the questions, think about it that whether it is even solvable or not over here. So if you look at it, if you could have formed the equation, solve it, you would have got a radius in negative terms. If a negative radius will definitely, again, you cannot determine it. But rather than doing all that work, if you just think logically, you can get this answer in like seconds only. Alright. So that is how you solve this question.